सर माइक बंद है।
So if x is to m, y is to n equal to x plus y is to m plus n, then the body x is. So given expression or equation x is to m into y is to n is equal to x plus y is to m plus n. So if you differentiate directly, so it will be lengthy. So taking logarithm, by using logarithm on both sides, so we can differentiate this function easily. So taking logarithm on both sides, taking logarithm on log on both sides. So log of x is to m into y is to n is equal to log of x plus y raised to m plus n. So take logarithm on both sides, that is to the base e. If base is not mentioned, it base e. So given log x is to m into y raised to n equal to log of x plus y raised to m plus n. So using the properties of logarithm, log of m into n. So log of m into n is log m plus log n. Log of m into n is log m plus log n. Then like this, one more useful is log m raised to n is equal to n log m. N log m. N log m. So using these two properties, we can solve this. So comes to here, log of x is to m into y is to n is log x is to m plus log y is to n is equal to, here I applied log m raised to n is m log n, that is m plus n log of x plus y, that is m plus n log of x plus y. So here once again log x is to m is here also apply log m is to n, that is m log x, and here n log y is equal to m plus n into log x plus y. So it is the simplest form now. So now we differentiate these with respect to x on both sides. So we can easily solve this. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides. So now what is derivative of m into log x? So keeping m as it is, and derivative of log x is 1 by x plus n as it is, derivative of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to derivative of m plus n log x plus y, that is m plus n keep as it is, m plus n as it is, into derivative of log x plus y is 1 by x plus y into bracket 1 plus dy by dx. So once again I will write one more step same, that is m by x plus n by y into dy by dx is equal to m plus n by x plus y into bracket 1 plus dy by dx. So now just open the bracket by multiplying m plus n by x plus y inside the bracket, and then separating the terms of dy by dx, then we get dy by dx as y by x. So take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this. Can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So then now, so it is m by x, m by x plus n by y into dy by dx is equal to m plus n divided by x plus y plus m plus n divided by x plus y into dy by dx. I multiplied m plus n by x plus y to the 1 plus dy by dx. So we get this m plus n by x plus y plus m plus n by x plus y into dy by dx. So now make it separate. Make group of dy by dx term here and here there. Make it separate. Take to LHS side and this term take to RHS side. This to RHS side. So now we write n by y into dy by dx minus m plus n by x plus y into dy by dx is equal to m plus n by x plus y minus m by x. This plus become minus, this plus will become minus. So in this two term on LHS side, I will take dy by x is common. So dy by x common, then n by y minus m plus n divided by x plus y is equal to, here I take LCM, that is x plus y into x. So this cross multiply, this x multiply to m plus n, and here this x and this x plus y is multiplied there. So m into x plus n into x, m into x plus n into x minus m into x minus m into y. This minus into plus minus. So m into x minus m into y. So here minus mx and plus mx get cancelled. So here now dy by dx into, here also LCM is y into x plus y. Same n into x plus n into y, that is n into x plus n into y minus m into x minus n into y. So this is n into x. N into x plus n into y minus m y. M y minus n y is equal to nx minus my divided by x plus y into x. So these x plus y term get cancelled. And here this is ny and this is ny get cancelled. So now remaining is dy by dx into bracket nx minus my divided by y is equal to nx minus my divided by x. So nx minus ny get cancelled. So therefore dy by dx is equal to this y take to RHS become numerator y divided by x. So this is the dy by dx is equal to y by x. So this is very very important example. So on this type, this is very standard. So on this type, CET example can also be asked. Right? So take a screenshot of this. So can I erase this?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, then on the base of this example, so I will give some example. Okay. That is if x cube y square is equal to x plus y raised to 5, then what is dy by dx? So dy by dx is equal to y by x. Because it is also of the form 3 m is 3, m is 2, and x plus m plus n is 5. So 3 plus 2, that is 5. Therefore dy by dx is y by x. Same another example, that is x raised to 5 into y cube is equal to x plus y raised to k, and dy by dx is equal to y by x. Then what is value of k? The k is equal to what? So it is of the form x raised to m y raised to n equal to x plus y raised to m plus n. And here given that dy by dx equal to y by x, so k equal to how much? What is the answer? K equal to
8.
8. K is equal to 8. So like this, suppose here x is to 1 by 5, then y square is equal to fifth root of x plus y raised to 11. Then what is dy by x? Tell me what is dy by x? X is to 5, y square equal to fifth root of x plus 5 raised to 11. Then what is dy by x? Tell me what is dy by x?
ಸರ್ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಏನು ಕಾಣೋಲ್ಲ ರೀ.
See, x is to 1 by 5. ಅದು ನೀವು ಲೈನ್ ಹೊಡ್ಯಾಕತ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂಜುಳಾ, here is that line. So x is to 1 by 5 into y square is equal to x root fifth root of x plus y raised to 11. And what is dy by x? I am asking question. What is dy by x is? Y by x. So dy by x is y by x. Good. Because see here also m is 1 by 5, n is 2, then m plus n, that is 11 by 5. When you simplify this, so we get this x is to 5 y square is equal to x plus 5 raised to 11 by 5. So this is m and this is m. So add 1 by 5 plus 2, this is 11 by 5. Therefore, 1 by 5 plus 2 is equal to 11 by 5. It is x is to m, y raised to n equal to x plus y raised to m plus n. Hence, dy by x is equal to y by x. So this is very, very important. The same question asked in 2019 CET. That is, similarly, I will give another example. X is 3 by 2, y square is equal to, so cube root of x plus y raised to, how much? That is, if I given k, then what is k?
7 by 2.
7 by 2. Anybody? K is x is 3 by 2, y square equal to cube root of x is to y, x plus y raised to k. Then what is k value? Say this, 3 by 2 plus 2 is equal to
7 by 2.
that is k by 3. So we can solve that. It is equal to 7 by 2. So k value is 7 by 2. 7 by 2. It's not 7 by 2. 7 by 14 by 6. It's not 7 by 2. Let's check it. This is 3 by 2 plus 2. That is n is equal to m plus n is k near 3. K by 3 it is. So it is m plus n equal to k by 3. So 2 to the 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 by 2 is equal to k by 3. So what is k equal to? 7 by 3. 7 by 2 is equal to k by 3. 21 by 21 by 2. K equal to 21 by 2. This is the value of k. So this step very standard it is, remember, x is to m, y raised to n equal to x plus y raised to m plus n, then dy by x equal to y by x. Okay, I will give another example. So next example is if tan inverse of x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square is equal to sin inverse A. Sin inverse A, then minus 1 less than or equal to A, less than or equal to 1, then what is dy by x? Then dy by x is equal to. So how do we solve? Anybody can give idea? If tan inverse of x square minus y square by x square plus y square equals sin inverse A, here A is lies between minus 1 to 1, then dy by x. How do we solve this? Can anybody have idea this? Can anybody have idea? Tell me how to solve this. What? Any idea is there? So I will solve this. So given is tan inverse of x square minus y square by x square plus y square equal to sin inverse A. Where A is the number between minus 1 to 1. So I will do one thing. X square minus y square divided by x square plus y square equal what? X square minus y square by x square plus y square equal what? Anybody can give answer? X square minus y
tan
square. What? Tan?
tan into sin inverse
Tan into sin inverse A.
sin inverse of A.
Tan into sin inverse of A. X square minus y square by x square plus y square equal to tan into sin inverse of A. So A is a constant number. Sin inverse A is constant. If sin inverse A is constant, then tan of sin inverse A also constant. So suppose I take number A equal to 1, sin inverse 1 is A equal, suppose I take 0, A equal 0, sin inverse 0, 0, tan 0 also 0. So it is a constant. So once again I will write expression now. X square minus y square by x square plus y square equal to k. This is the constant, totally constant. Understood? Now after getting this differentiator with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, how to differentiate this? How to differentiate x square minus y square by x square plus y square? How to find derivative of this? How to find dy by x? Can you have idea how to find dy by x? Give answer.
Question
Quotient rule. We can apply the quotient rule. Good. That is x. What is the quotient rule? Denominator x square plus y square into derivative of numerator. What is derivative of x square? 2x minus derivative of y square 2y into divided by dx minus numerator, that is x square minus y square into derivative of denominator 2x plus 2y into divided by dx and whole divided by denominator square x square plus y square whole square is equal to derivative of constant is 0. This denominator, that is x square plus y square whole square, is multiplied to 0. What happens? It's 0 only. Only simplify numerator, we get the answer. Simplify it. Tell me. Take a screenshot of this. Okay. So what happened now? x square plus y square into 2x minus 2y divided by x minus x square minus y square into 2x plus 2y divided by x is equal to what RHS? 0. Then simplifying this, just open the bracket and get the answer. X square into 2x, 2x into x square, what happened? That is 2x cube. 2x cube minus 2x square y divided by x. Then plus y square into 2x, 2x y square minus 2y cube divided by x. A simple multiplying this x square, multiplying x square into 2x cube, x square into minus 2y, minus 2x square y divided by x, y square into 2x y square plus into minus minus 2y cube divided by x is equal to, okay, is equal to, take this RHS side and multiply. That is what now? 2x cube, then plus 2x square y divided by x minus 2xy square minus 2y cube divided by x equal to 0. So now here divided by x, see, minus, this is minus 2x cube divided by x, and here plus minus 2x cube divided by x, they cancel. Then 2x cube plus, and here 2x cube cancel. So this minus 2x square y divided by x and this plus 2x square y divided by x take to one side. So this is minus 2x square y divided by x, and this one become also minus 2x square y divided by x is equal to remaining term, this minus 2xy square minus 2xy square, here there minus 2xy square, and this plus 2xy square become minus 2xy square. So here in this now I will take common divided by x. So this is minus 2x square y minus 2x square y minus 4x square y is equal to minus 4xy square. So minus 4 get cancelled. 1 of x also cancelled, 1 of y cancelled. So divided by dx is equal to, that is y divided by x. This is answer. Divided by x equal to y by x. Take a screenshot of this, otherwise you can take note. So can I erase this? Okay, the next example is, if 2x square minus xy plus y 3y square is equal to 18